I can finally say that my short course to learn Bulgarian language for beginners is online on udemy.com. You can find a link down below so you can go and visit the course. And if you are completely new, a complete beginner, and you want to learn Bulgarian, this course is designed for you. It's about 2 hours long with additional materials you can download, like exercises, and you can use this channel, the videos, to support your learning. The course is for people who have no previous knowledge or who want to refresh their knowledge or want to have kind of taste of what Bulgarian language sounds like or look like. When you complete the course, you'll be able to talk about simple things, to have simple conversations about time, weather, telling about yourself and your family, your age, profession, do some basic shopping, stuff like that. And you can confidently read in Bulgarian language, which is fairly easy. So if you want to refresh or go through that, go and check that course and you can enjoy learning. It's lifetime access to the course, and I can add probably new stuff if you have questions or requirements. And I also will make in near future another course that will be more based like one-to-one learning Bulgarian, but this one is the basic. So if you have that basic, it will be easier later on to do the other one. This is the update for my course, and I hope you like it and enjoy it. If you know friends, family members, someone who is interested, you can recommend that course and share, and keep tuned.